This is a 2022 Mercedes GLC, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your wipers if, as in my case, they need replacing for the MOT. Let's do it! So the first thing to note is that you can't actually, or you can just about get to these clips, but you can't lift your wipers up because the wipers hit your bonnet. So the first thing we have to do is to get into the car and put the wipers into park mode. So the process for this involves turning the ignition on and then turning it off again and then pressing this button here on the end of the stalk. I find that this doesn't really always work first time, but let's give it a try. So on, ignition on, ignition off, press button. And there we go. The wipers are now in park mode and we can lift them up and get those wipers changed. Our wipers are now in park, as you saw, and then just pull your arm up like this. Now these are an original set of Mercedes wipers. This car, although 2022, has already had one set from Mercedes, but they all work in the very same way. The first thing you have to do is move the actual blade so that it is pushed like that, and then you can slide up this piece here, and then that releases it, and it is quite stiff. You slide it up and then you can just pull your wiper blade out like that. I'll just show you that again, just put it back. So you're lifting your arm up and you pull this bit like that, and then you slide up here. Now I've done this when I did it previously, a year and a half ago or whatever it was. This was very, very stiff because it had been there for 3 years, and if you don't move your blade that way, this won't ever move, presumably to stop it flying off when in use. So you have to tip it like that and then slide up, and then out it comes. Let's just very quickly do the other one. It's always a bit of a stretch. And the other one come out nicely as well. As I mentioned, these are genuine Mercedes blades. You can tell they've got the little star on there. Little thing people don't necessarily know about Mercedes blades themselves is they've got a little indicator here. These start off life white and then they change colour to show that your wipers have been on for more than a certain amount of time. It must be light dependent, although this car lives in a garage, it doesn't live outside, so I'm surprised they've gone so fast. It's only been a year since the last time I changed them at the last MOT. In terms of replacements though, I've gone for a set of Bosch ones. These are A844S. They're both exactly the same length at 22 inches, 550mm. And yeah, let's get them fitted to the car. So just a quick check to confirm that they are going to work, which they pretty much look like they will do. A slightly different shape, but nice. So with our new blade here, make sure your, in this case, Bosch logo is pointing that way, and then it's just a case of inserting them into the arm here, making sure they're snug, and then just pressing down there and clipping them in. And that is that one done. And then if I get that one again, making sure that the logo is in the right orientation. And I just lean over and get this one in. And clips in, and that one parks as well. Final thing to do then is just give them a quick test. Let's turn the car on. And on the ignition. And then if you just press that button, that will park the wipers back. If you press and hold like normal, to check that the wipers are all working really nicely. So there we go, that's how to change your wipers on a GLC. Although looking on the back of this box here, it says this is also for the W205 C-Class, Cabriolet Coupe, and the EQC and the GLC Coupe. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you have, send me a like, let me have your comments, and I look forward to coming to you in a new video very soon. Thanks and goodbye.